Today we're doing a little bit of a Balkan crossover, a SOUJOUK egg tart pie with a potato shell. Wash those spuds into cold water, up to your finger test on the line. Put on the heat. Make sure you add a little bit of salt. And while you're putting the salt, please subscribe. Lid it, bring it to a boil. Lower it, simmer it, check it for tenderness. You want it kind of al dente, not too mushy, because you're going to form it into a crust. Drain it out into a colander and let steam. Set aside, let it air dry. This will help to squash them without having moisture. Alright, oil up your tart pan. Make sure you get it up the sides, up the ridges nicely. Use a decent olive oil because it will be a nice quality taste and flavor. And we're going to oil up our masher. Okay, we're going to slowly lube up the potatoes. Oil them up, and then we're going to press them down with our masher, but not too much so that they're sticking to the bottom of it. Mash them and form them with your hands. Remember, you're going to form them up the sides like a tart shell as well. So mash, 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 but, you know, within reason. No Hulk smash nonsense where you're going to smash through the countertop. You see how you're making the rim? Bring the rim up on the sides. And at the same time, smooth it out. Make sure you season it well. Salt, pepper, fresh ground. We're going to blind bake this for a while. Okay, into the oven, about 400 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. You want to test the crispiness. Give it a squeeze. Very nice crunch. Okay, you may need to take it out of the shell and bake it again, depending on how thin or thick you made it. There you go. That's what you're looking for. All right, let's prep the mezz for our stuffing or filling. Some white onion, small dice. Add to our bowl. Yellow pepper, red pepper, some jalapeno. Dice them up. All about the same size uniformly so they could cook well. We're kind of making like a SOUJOUK hash so we can mix it in and then put our cheese and everything else. Save the greens for garnish. Slice them in half, mince up those scallions nicely. There we got our jalapenos with some heat, some mild heat depending on your preferences. You could level it up with some serrano. There's our SOUJOUK. SOUJOUK is a Turkish spicy beef sausage, but we want to take off the outside skin, so peel it off because that could be kind of gnarly, especially if you fry it up. It's chewy, gets stuck in your teeth, and you're going to have a bad day. So we're going to slice it into long, thin strips. You can see the fat on the inside. Very good. One of my more favorite halal products. Going for a dice too with this. We want everything to be the same dice about. Very uniform in size so they cook evenly. We're going to start with the SOUJOUK in the pan first to kind of render down some of that fat before we fill in our veg. And there's our garlic. Scallions, we're going to use the ends for later. Look at that nice crust. Okay. Let it rest. Okay, make sure it's crispy all around because you don't want a soggy tart. A little neutral oil, not too much. The SOUJOUK has a lot of fat, but it's very lean as well. In with the SOUJOUK. Let's render it down a little bit. Again, it doesn't have that much fat, so we want to help it out with a little oil. As it renders down a little bit, we're going to use that fat, put our aromatics in there that we chopped up. Very magical season brode. Alright, toss it up. Then we're going to put in our garlic, a nice couple tablespoons. It's about 10 cloves right there, but don't put it in right away so don't burn. Now put it off to the side. It's about al dente. It's kind of semi-translucent. Save these for the end. So now we're going to take about 8 to 10 eggs, blitz them with some fresh rosemary, salt and pepper. And you can add some other seasonings that you like, maybe some chipotle powder, cayenne pepper. But we have a lot of natural heat from the jalapenos, so don't go too crazy. Crumble in our feta cheese, mix it well with a spoon, and then just use the back of the spoon to kind of layer it, flatten it out. Then pour our egg mixture. It's not really a custard, more of an egg to bind. Okay. Kind of like making a breakfast tart pie, SOUJOUK crust, whatever. Now some provolone slices on top just to give it a more cheesiness. Take one out if you're so inclined. Put an egg on there. There you go. People always fight for that like egg on top. Put it in the oven now to bake at least 30 to 45 minutes at around 375 degrees. Recipe is below in the comments or description. Check that out. Very nice crust. All right, let it sit before cutting. Garnish it with our spring onion ends. And then there it is, a beautiful SOUJOUK pie with a potato crust for brekkie. Give it a nice cut there. Let's see that center line there, nicely cooked, crispy potato. This is actually gluten-free as well, so add a little sour cream and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Sag a pobre malaques.